Hey guys, so today I'm at Adopt Me and today I'm going to be reading my pets. Well, not my pets, but I'm going to be going to the nursery and rating all the pets. And let's see, what do I think about the pets? And let me know if you agree with me or if you don't. And I'm going to be telling you what is the best pet, what I think, what is the best pet out of it. Like the best pet out of common and then the best pet out of rare, ultra rare, legendary. You get what I'm saying, right? Yeah. So let's go to the nursery. Okay, we are here, so let's go to the pet section. Jumpy, 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 jumpy. There. I used to have the chicken though. So basically, I only need these two pets to finish my common collector. But if I have to pick from a common, probably the chicken, the little chick. I think it's super cute, and I think this is the best pet, or the cat. I don't know. And out of the uncommon, let's see. Out of the uncommon, probably the wolf. I like the wolf, and then the pink cat. The pink cat and probably the wolf because I can't find any wolves anymore. And out of the rare section, let's see. I would, out of the rare section, I would probably say the cow because you cannot get the cow anymore. And the bear. The bear is a really good pet, I think. You can't get the bears anymore. Now, out of the ultra rares, what do I think? Out of the ultra rares, I would probably go for the llama. The llama is pretty cute. And the koala is actually kind of cute too. And flamingo is actually cute too. I guess I'll just go for the llama, flamingo, and the koala. And you can get the koala from the, what egg? Safari egg? No, you can get it from the Aussie egg. Yeah, I have an Aussie egg. And I'm not going to trade it. I might. Now, out of the legendary, the big moment out of the legendaries, I really like. What do I really like? What do I really like? I like the Arctic reindeer. It's actually my dream pet, but now it's Arctic wolf. But I don't think they don't have Arctic wolf in the game anymore. So that's pretty sad. And my dream pet is the lion dragon, which I already have it. It's actually super cool pet. And I will probably say the snow owl. I really like the snow owl and the Arctic reindeer. And the other pet that I don't have, I don't know. I actually don't know. I don't know what I really like. Probably the snow owl and the Arctic reindeer and that's it, I think. Yeah. I would like the unicorn if it's flyable and rideable, but I'm gonna make this flyable or rideable. I'm not sure. I have a fly potion though. But I'm probably gonna go for the snow owl and the Arctic reindeer, and I think that's it. And I would take the flyable rideable unicorn if it's a mega, not a mega, but a neon flyable rideable unicorn. I like neon flyable rideable unicorns. And the dodo, I don't know. I don't really feel, I don't know. But from the common is the chick, and then from the uncommon is the pink cat. And what else and the wolf, and then from the rare is the cow and the bear. This bear, right? The white one. This white one. And then from the ultra rare, oh my gosh, I didn't even realize the Arctic fox. The Arctic fox definitely, and the koala too. And yeah, the koala and the Arctic reindeer is my favorite out of the ultra rares. From the legendary, it will probably be the neon flower rideable unicorn if it's a neon, and the snow owl. And I would like the Arctic reindeer too. I like the Arctic reindeers. But yeah, let me know if you have my dream pets because I'm really looking forward to trade someone with my dream pet. So comment below if you actually have my dream pet. And I'm gonna be doing a giveaway when I hit 100 followers. So hurry up, like and subscribe to this YouTube channel so I can do a giveaway and you might be it. You might win the giveaway. So basically all you have to do to enter the giveaway, win the giveaway, subscribe to me, like this video, and yeah. And then when I hit 100 subscribers, I'm gonna give away this legendary dragon. It's a guardian lion, and his name is Bakugo. He's super cute. He's pretty new too. He just got into the game, and he has really nice details in it as well. So I'm gonna be giving away this, and with the guardian lion, I'm gonna be also giving away. And by the way, I'm gonna make the guardian lion flyable, rideable as well. And with that, I'm gonna be also giving away the lunar ox. But I'm gonna make a neon first. So I'm really spending a lot of time on Adopt Me trying to make a neon lunar ox. So yeah. So if you want to enter the challenge and win a guardian lion, which is legendary, and win a lunar ox, which is the ultra rare, but I'm gonna be giving away a neon one. And also comment below if you actually have my dream pad, because I really want to have my dream pad, and I will trade you. I don't know. Let me know if you have my dream pet, and comment below your dream pad out of the any pets, basically any category. Out of the any category, comment below your dream pet. And if I have your dream pet, let me know. If I have your dream pet, I might trade you. You can just send me a trade request, tell me your username, and I might trade you. So yeah, bye guys. And before you leave, make sure you like and subscribe and enter the giveaway so you can win a neon lunar ox and the new legendary pet that just came out, Bakugo, which is a guardian lion. So yeah, and I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a tip. Get your hands on the box. I'm telling you guys, quickly grab one box and save it. And when the whole newer thing is gone, you could actually trade the box for something really good. So I'm just telling you guys, you can trade the box for something really good if you just get your hands on it right now. And when the whole setup thing is gone, then you can get it. And I think it's gonna be gone after February something. I think February 14th is gonna be gone. Catch out. So yeah, get your hands on the box right now. And let me know what is your dream pet, and let me also know if you have my dream pet, and make sure you enter the giveaway if you want to. Bye guys.